The NFT Revolution. The NFT Revolution. As old as when human beings began living in a socialized civilization, human beings have always valued art. It is not surprising that a lost Leonardo da Vinci painting was sold for a record $450 million in 2017, even though the original canvas was painted more than 500 years ago. Human beings always believed that they could never completely replace the physical object with something that takes up less space. From Plato's Academy, Aristotle said the eye itself teaches us. In ancient times, people did believe that the arts were meant to give people pleasure through the senses. To me, the only difference between an artist and a non-artist is that artists create something from nothing, that is, they take the raw material of life or the universe and turn it into something meaningful. For example, there is no end to creativity. A true artist creates something new every time he tries to express himself/herself. For all these reasons, art is a necessity in everyone's life. Why we need Bitcoin and crypto? So, why does art matter? As cryptocurrencies gain traction and adoption worldwide, companies have begun incorporating them. Because it adds another layer of complexity, cost, and fraud to businesses who want to accept cryptocurrency. Crypto is the answer to modern commerce and payments. What is a NFT exactly? This is what makes the non-fungible token, NFT, a revolution in the art world. A future digital painting can now be authenticated with blockchain technology, without any skeptics doubting if it is original or not. An NFT is a unique item that exists in a digital world without being physical. When you get an NFT, you own something, and it's yours forever. Unlike other virtual items, it cannot be copied or duplicated. Money is only a tool to exchange goods and services. With cryptocurrencies, people are starting to accept that money does not equal hard assets such as gold, diamonds, real estate, or precious metals. So, what do these tokens represent? Well, they are represented by various goods and services in its marketplaces. To buy/sell something digitally, a cryptocurrency must first be exchanged into fiat currency. An NFT token is a digitized asset that exists solely in the digital realm. You are the unique owner. In the same manner, people who love cryptocurrencies also seek ways to leverage their power within their businesses. As compared to currencies, NFT tokens are non-divisible, meaning that you can only obtain certain amounts from them at one time. If you want to make enough money, you must sell more artwork. The average person just doesn't have the funds to purchase high-end artworks, so they end up selling their art in flea markets for pennies. However, thanks to blockchain technology and digitization, we're now able to register new forms of intellectual property through blockchain-based registries. What is a non-fungible token? A non-fungible is an item which has a value that is independent of anyone else who possesses that object, and is often seen as belonging to the individual consumer or collector. Examples include collectibles like figurines, vinyl records, baseball cards, comic books and vintage clothing, as well as collectible digital content like video games, ebooks, apps, and digital art. If an NFT were used as an example, your collection of non-fungible tokens would look like this. One could argue that the two collections above are remarkably similar in terms of their values. However, a major difference is that your investment portfolio and your art collection are both entirely separate entities within traditional financial systems. How do I buy/create my own NFT? There are many ways to create your own personal NFT token. You may create your NFT using a standard ERC-20 compatible wallet to mint your own cryptocurrency, or you can use a custom app to build your own NFT on top of Ethereum. As of right now, there is no clear answer to what a single NFT will cost. However, according to our research, the average price per unit of an NFT token ranges between 10 cents, $30. So, let's say you sell physical goods via eBay and want to add a virtual item to increase sales. This article goes through 4 different ways that blockchain could revolutionize digital marketing. In today's day and age, there are a lot of websites that have built up successful communities around them. As for NFTs, they are never going away. They are completely immutable, meaning that they exist outside the rules of the network that hosts them. Also, since each NFT has its own private key, they cannot be duplicated. Real-time marketing. NFTs have enormous potential when it comes to real-time marketing.
Imagine being able to instantly track how many people viewed a product, who viewed it first, where it came from, and what was said about the brand after purchase. Better audience targeting.
Unlike traditional ad networks, NFTs allow brands to target specific audiences in a much more targeted manner. Brands can put tags on air advertisements to identify which demographic group the advertisement belongs to. Immutable data tracking.
NFTs add a level of trust to data tracking processes.
Not only does this guarantee accurate data, but it also makes sure that no one can change the information collected by the advertiser before the end of the campaign. To illustrate the difference between NFTs and traditional databases, consider the following situation. A company sells 100 pairs of shoes.
Their sales team successfully identifies a segment of customers who will buy the new range of sneakers.
Should they take the risk and continue selling the initial product? When it comes to market research, the data recorded on blockchains is always trustworthy, allowing researchers to draw conclusions based on facts rather than theories.
Instant payments.
Another benefit of using NFTs is instant payments.
When using NFTs to run an affiliate program, publishers can easily monitor the performance of each program.
Blockchain transactions go through immediately, and there's never any doubt about when or whether they'll show up. As opposed to taking days or even weeks to process payments, NFTs eliminate those types of headaches. NFTs allow for unique experiences in games, apps and other platforms using blockchain technology.
With the rise of blockchain technology, innovative technologies have been introduced into our lives.
One such innovation is called non-fungible tokens or NFTs. We believe that by using NFTs as virtual items in game worlds, the following benefits can arise. Better gameplay. Because each NFT is unique, it leads to more original ideas than if the same idea had to compete against multiple identical copies of itself.
More engagement. The ownership of an NFT should directly affect how the player feels about that item.
Reduced inflation. Without having a large pool of identical items out on the market, a developer doesn't need to worry about inflated prices on their virtual goods. Why should you join the revolution of NFTs? There are many ways you can benefit from joining the revolution of NFTs.
Here are just a few examples.
Create unique experiences. With NFTs, developers can create unique games and experiences for users. Get paid fairly. Since NFTs aren't scarce, they are much easier to produce than traditional physical goods like artworks and diamonds. It also ensures that people who want to acquire NFT must pay what they were asked to pay during the auction. Make money trading cryptocurrencies. As mentioned before, blockchain enables us to transfer payments instantly.
However, there is one problem.
Most investors don't know about Bitcoin or Ethereum, so they will probably lose out on the benefits of trading cryptocurrencies. Protect your assets. Thanks to the security provided by smart contracts, no one can steal your valuable possessions. Most of us would agree that blockchain technology has been around for decades, but only recently has it become a big deal. In early April, we successfully raised $8 million in venture capital funding. One of the companies we collaborated with to achieve this milestone is Data Wallet. A data wallet is a decentralized data marketplace designed to make all forms of data available to everyone, whether you're looking to monetize your data, find new customers, or improve existing products and services. Data Wallet CEO Adam Trademan says, "We believe in a future where all assets can be stored and transferred securely using blockchain techniques." The team consists of experienced entrepreneurs from across various industries, including enterprise software, finance, marketing, and healthcare. As a result, the co-founders expect that Data Wallet will reach its soft cap within the next few hours. This means the token will soon enter full market saturation, making it impossible for any individual to accumulate a large amount of the token without selling it. However, the fact that millions of dollars worth of coins were raised during the token pre-sale suggests that they may well already be saturated.
NFT image collection and visual feature extraction.
Axie, the NFT marketplace, is a small network of blockchain, crypto art, digital artwork, music, and toys that provides digital artwork as an alternative to the usual frame. Before heading to the NFT space, let's see how an NFT file really works. The NFT/smart contract defines the ownership and monetization of the NFT art, and its NFT technology, as an asset that corresponds to essential elements, such as image size and function. The creator of the NFT project, Axie, lent his digital art, especially to blind users. In short, the NFT space creates a dystopian future where there is no sane way to sell your image. There are 3 important reasons why this space is an excellent choice, and especially when we compare it to Axie Infinity, the best game. Game is the only game dual helix and tuner, as it is. With the creation of the NFT/smart contract, these assets will automatically become a part of the platform. Blockchain technology enables us to track our favorite artists and collectives on a global scale. Each NFT is connected to one contract address, meaning that you know exactly who owns this asset. The blockchain platform guarantees security because it stores all data securely. There have been several breakthroughs recently, with the introduction of smart contracts, decentralized exchanges, and even games. Artificial intelligence, also known as machine intelligence, refers to the branch of computer science dealing with making computers mimic human cognition, specifically problem-solving abilities. So now let's look at some major breakthroughs in the field of NFT technology, smart contracts. The first step towards blockchain automation was taken back in 2013, thanks to Andreas M. Antonopoulos' popular book Mastering Bitcoin. In layman's terms, a smart contract executes upon a trigger event that happens during the execution of the program. These programs are not executed by any central authority, such as a bank, government, or other third party. Instead, the program runs autonomously, based on its own logic.
If you want to build a token economy around your products or services, here's what needs to happen.
Tokenize your product, create a new type of asset that represents one of your products. Build a smart contract to control access to those assets.
Give everyone the ability to purchase these assets. Let people trade them freely among themselves.
Keep track of trades, so you know where your value comes from. To take advantage of this new frontier, we need to rethink what we mean by real estate.
A lot of the value of land has to do with its ability to generate income over time.
The idea behind tokenization is simple. Instead of owning a physical asset, you own a piece of data called a token. This token indicates ownership of a real-world object, service, or asset.
When someone buys a token, he gains access to the underlying thing.